Welcome to a lesson on dividing assigned decimals. For the first example, we have negative 6 3/10 divided by 7. Because we have a negative divided by a positive, the quotient will be negative. To help determine the quotient, we will now divide positive 6.3 by positive 7 below using long division. Because the divisor is already a whole number, the first step is to move the decimal point of the dividend up into the quotient. And now we divide like we normally would. We want to determine how many 7s are in 63, which is exactly 9. 9 times 7 is 63. We subtract, and the difference is 0. This quotient is equal to positive 0.9, or positive 9/10. But because the original quotient is negative 6 3/10 divided by positive 7, the original quotient is negative 9/10, normally written as negative 0.9. For our second example, we have negative 5 4/10 divided by negative 9/10. Because we have a negative divided by a negative, the quotient will be positive. To determine the quotient, though, we'll divide positive 5.4 by positive 0.9. For this example, the divisor is not a whole number, and therefore we need to move the decimal point right one place in the divisor, and we can do this as long as we do the same in the dividend, which means the original quotient is equivalent to just 54 divided by 9. And there are exactly 6 9s in 54. 6 times 9 is 54. We subtract, the difference is 0, and therefore, so this quotient is equal to positive 6, which actually is the same as the original quotient because a negative divided by a negative is positive. I hope you found this helpful.